You are watching the video of the artistic bird of UK, and that's name is bowerbird. Bowerbird has the specialties to make nest on the ground in the bushes. And very special story revolves around it that the male will make the nest and female will come to see that the nest is livable or not. The colored thing has been put inside the nest or not. So the male bird always tries to bring the colorful things to orient the nest. You may see it is the best engineering of the nature, and male bird keeps colorful things to decorate the nest. The female visits the nest and says,